So let's go from this to this. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today I want to show you how I made this lovely, beautiful looking hairstyle on my daughter. And I started off with her hair. Her hair is so thick, so thick. In fact, I don't know what other word to use to describe how thick her hair is. And so I just thought to use my hair stretcher to stretch her hair, like stretch it out. Her hair is more than what 4C can be. So I stretched her hair in bits. I did the back part first because I felt like if I stretch one part, all of it at a go, it will go back. It will reverse to the 4C. So I stretched the back part first and then I sectioned the hair from the back in box sizes, and then I used a bit of gel to place on her hair, like spread on her hair, just so that the hair can relax a bit, because everything I've put on this hair still seemed like the hair was still looking very thick, very strong, very full, very everything. So anyways, I started the hair, and I don't know, my daughter doesn't like to make her hair. It's always a struggle getting her to make her hair. I don't know how a mother who knows how to make hair will have a daughter who doesn't like to make hair. Anyways, I'm lovely to have her. I'm happy and glad to have her as my daughter. So I braided the back of the hair using my extension. I like to braid hair with pre-stretched extension because it saves a lot of time. I can't even I can't even say how much time it saves, but guess what? If you want to avoid spending hours stretching extension, try to use pre-stretched extension. So I braided the back part of the hair. This girl managed to stay for me to braid this hair. But when we got to the front part of this hair, hmm, if she could tell me to leave her hair, she would have done it. But it is what it is. So finished the back, did a little of flipping from here to there, and then I tried to do the side part of the hair. So this hair is a combination of braids and cornrows, like Ghana weaving sort of. So I saw this hair on the internet and thought to try it on my daughter. I know it's not easy to do cornrows, Ghana weaving on a very thick hair. It's gonna be a struggle. So I decided to take the extension in base, like small size extension, just so that the size of the extension will not add to her hair. And you see her face. She was not happy that I was making her hair, but I have to make her hair. She's been carrying this hair like this for a long time now, and it was time for me to make the hair. So anyways, I did the side of the hair, and before I finished this hair, guys, this girl was tired and she said she wanted to sleep. So I didn't want it to be like, oh, I was depriving her of sleeping. I said, okay, stay awake just a little longer so that I can make like much of the hair, and then when you're sleeping, I'll find a way to make the hair. So she managed to stay. I made the two sides of the hair, and then I went to the top part of the hair. This hair didn't really take much time, but it was just that the girl doesn't like to make hair, but I have to make her hair because she doesn't want to cut the hair. If you ask me, I want her to cut the hair because it will save me stress. It will save me stress, but she doesn't want to cut her hair and she doesn't like to make her hair. So I had to tell her to pick a struggle. You have to pick one. Anyways, so we continued with the hair. I made two crisscross cornrows. After the cornrows by the side of the ear, thereafter I replicated this crisscross on the other side of the hair as well. And before I finished this hair, Madame went to bed. She went to bed, she was sleeping, and then I was bending my body, bending it from one corner to another, just so that I can complete this hair because I needed to go to work the next day. So I finished the hair while she was sleeping. I coiled the tip of the hair as well, put the rollers. I left the rollers on the hair like that so that when she wakes up, she can take the rollers off by herself. Then that's it. I finished with the hair and then she took the rollers off by herself when I was at work, and then she told me she had taken it off. But guys, if you feel like you want to try cornrows on your daughter, on someone, or even on yourself, you can try this hairstyle. It's really beautiful. And yes, I'll see you. See, my daughter already sleeping. Anyways, let me leave you to see how I was struggling to make this part. I'll see you guys in my next video. Please do well to like, to comment, to subscribe, to share, and to do every other good stuff. Okay? I love you guys as always. Bye.